In a time before bulldozers and deadlines, African villages thrived on a simple, powerful rhythm. People working together. They called it Nhimbe in Zimbabwe, Harambee in Kenya, Isipala in Zulu lands. These were no ordinary workdays. They were festivals of purpose. Need help harvesting your crops, building a granary, fixing a roof? You called the community. You offered food, music, and labor came with laughter. These ancient African work parties, go nil, turned chores into celebration. Unity was the currency. And everyone left fed in body and spirit. But then the chain was broken. Colonial systems crept in. Paid labor replaced shared labor. Silence replaced song. And slowly, helping hands withdrew. But even now, in towns, in suburbs, and WhatsApp groups, we can bring it back. The spirit of together doing is not dead. It's only sleeping. Imagine digital Nhimbe, group garden days, school cleanups, repairs done with rhythm, all organized with a tap, fueled by shared snacks and good vibes. Modern problems need ancestral solutions, and with this ancient code of cooperation, we can rebuild more than homes. We can restore trust. From forgotten fields to digital timelines, Africa's traditions can rise again, and with them, a continent of stronger, kinder communities.